In this session, let us learn about Pandas correlations. Finding relationships. A great aspect of Pandas module is the core method. The core method calculates the relationship between each column in your data set. The example in the page uses a CSV file called data.csv. Download data.csv or open data.csv. Show the relationship between the columns. See here, the correlation method ignores not numeric columns. See, it is ignored. Result explained. Result of core method is a table with a lot of numbers that represents how will the relationship between two columns. The number of varies from -1 to 1. 1 means that there is a 1 to 1 relationship, a perfect correlation. And for this data set, each time a value went up in the first column, the other column went up as well. 0.9 is also a good relationship, and if you increase one value, the other will probably increase as well. Minus 0.9 would be just a good relationship as 0.9. If you increase one value, the other will probably go down. 0.2 means not a good relationship, meaning that if one value goes up does not mean that the other will. See here, like this. Just go through it. What is good correlation? It depends on the use, but I think it is safe to say you have to have at least 0.6 or minus 0.6 to call it a good correlation. Perfect correlation. We can see that duration got the number 1.0000, which makes sense. Each column always has a perfect relationship with itself. Good correlation. Duration and calories got a 0.922271 correlation, which is very good correlation, and we can predict that the longer you work out, the more calories you burn, and the other way around. If you burned a lot of calories, you probably had a long workout. Bad correlation. Duration and max pulse got a 0.009403 correlation, which is very bad correlation, meaning that we cannot predict the max pulse by just looking at the duration of the workout and vice versa. Once follow this and check that. Okay friends, this is end of part 14, Pandas correlations. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pandas plotting. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.